Hey bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we are making a downright decadent strawberry rose facial toning mist. This formulation is part of an ongoing strawberry rose series that I've been sharing on my blog humblebeeandme.com and here on YouTube, and I am absolutely crazy about the way that the projects in this series smell. The scent in this project comes from a combination of rose and strawberry distillates or hydrosols, and oh my goodness, we have the sweet, rich wonderfulness of rose and the juicy, fresh incredibleness of strawberry. And they blend together to create the most just fabulous scent combo. And so pretty much as soon as I sort of smelled those things together, I knew I wanted to just have a cloud of this following me around. And that is kind of what this facial mist is. The hydrosols that we are using in this formulation come from Essential Wholesale, and just as a reminder, we do have a coupon code from them, so make sure you're checking out the blog post, which is linked in the description box below this video, to grab that coupon code and save some money on your orders. I designed this facial mist to be both hydrating and refreshing. Now, of course, just misting plain old water on your face is pretty refreshing, but I've amped that up with the inclusion of some witch hazel distillate, which is also astringent. I've included quite a few moisturizing ingredients, so we have some sodium lactate and some Propanediol 1,3, both of which are great non-sticky humectants, and then we have some panthenol, which is not only moisturizing but also soothing. Further amping up the soothing category, we have a touch of calendula extract, though if you prefer to use a different botanical extract, feel free. This entire mist comes together without any heat. You can just stir everything together and you're off to the races. I have made this in a beaker so that you can kind of see everything happening a little bit better, but if you want to, just make it right in your container, pop a funnel in the top of your container, measure everything in there, and cap, shake, and you are done. So come on, let's get started. To make this strawberry rose facial toning mist, we're going to combine all of our ingredients in this beaker. So this beaker already contains 19.5 grams of distilled water. To that, we're going to add 7.5 grams strawberry hydrosol, 12.5 grams rose hydrosol, 7.5 grams witch hazel distillate, 1 gram calendula extract, half a gram sodium lactate, half a gram Propanediol 1,3, 0.75 grams panthenol, and 1/4 gram of liquid germall plus. After stirring to combine, I'm just going to leave this for a few minutes for the panthenol to dissolve. So it's been just a couple minutes and that panthenol has already completely dissolved, so we are done and ready to package up our mist. So I'm using this lovely bottle from New Directions Aromatics. It's one of their 50 milliliter frosted glass Zello bottles with a mister top. So first things first, we're going to trim the little hose here. It's mucho too long. I like to snip it on a bit of an angle there to reduce the chance that it'll get pushed flat against the bottom of the bottle and then sort of stop spraying. And now we'll pour our product in. And now I'm going to decorate it with a little bit of pink washi tape. This was a gift, so I'm not really sure where it's from, but it's the tape I have been using to decorate all of the projects in this series. And there you go. You just made a beautiful strawberry rose facial toning mist. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and please remember to go down to the description box below this video and click through to read the partner post for this video on my blog on humblebeeandme.com. There you'll find links to places to buy all of the ingredients, a discount code for Essential Wholesale for some of the lovely ingredients, including the 2 hydrosols, information on shelf life, scaling, substitutions, and a whole lot more. So thanks so much, and I'll see you next time.